unboxing from today, and this amazing high-waisted body shaper. I'm going to try it on and I'm going to show you how it looks like and why I like it. This body shaper short shapewear for women tummy control. Perfect because they are unique fiber. The golden radio is amazing. They had 14% spandex and 85% nylon. Elastic and durable, and negative iron fabric print, absorbing body static and some bad substance reducing odor. That is perfect for antibacterial. Unique design is longer shorts, 3D hip design, and is more coverage, more comfortable, and is more flexibility. This tummy control mechanism is pretty because compress and tight back and tights evenly. Steel bone for sharpening and stay in place, no roll up down. I'm going to show you how it looks before and after I wear it. As you see, it's amazing because it's tightened and lift. See, this area look fuller and sexier. Spandex fabric is so comfortable, and the best part is no peeling. Amazing graphene line is perfect for absorption. Negatives iron is anti-static, hygienic, and large elasticity. Perfect for very good abdomen control.